Hello friends, today I will demonstrate you how to use the WLH mobile app. So you can see here this is the WLH mobile app which you can download from Google Play and Apple Store also. And this is WLH mobile app is open. Now it has a lot of features. This is the first about WLH, that is just an introduction you will get about the hospital. Second is you have the faculty list. Here you can see all the faculties which is in our hospital, and if you want you can browse about any of the faculty there. After that, most important is member area, which you can open from here, and then you can get thousands of resources that I will demonstrate you later, that how to go member area. Now this is the timetable. Here you can get a course timetable. You can get all the courses, our courses in Delhi, our courses in Dubai, our courses in US. You can see the timetable. Here I am opening the India timetable, and you can see minute to minute timetable. Every minute what will be the agenda, that will be seen here, and you can see date wise and minute wise all the timetable of the course, and all the future courses timetable is listed here. After that you can get the videos. This is all the videos on our server. This is not on the YouTube, so it has a very high speed and you can see watch all the videos there, but you cannot download. To download, how to download, that I will show you later. You can download through the member area.
Hello friends,
Here we can see
this
all
is
our
a case
high
of
definition
ruptured
video,
ectopic pregnancy.
and you
This
can
patient
rotate
is
your
very young
mobile, and
patient.
then
She
you
has
can
been
see
married
all
only
those
6 months
videos
ago, and
in
after
your
that she
mobile
has
phone directly
started
from
a
our
severe
server.
pain in the abdomen, and
So these all
ultrasound
are
was
the very
performed and there was
useful
a right
videos
sided
for the
ruptured
purpose of
ectopic pregnancy. As you know that
training,
ruptured
and
ectopic pregnancy is
lectures are also
emergency, we
there
have to
that
perform the
will be very
surgery
useful
faster,
for you,
and because the
and we
blood
keep
collected
on
inside may
updating
create the
these
shock.
videos. So
Initially patient look
you can
normal, but
see
if you will
every
delay it,
month
patient may go to irreversible
these
shock.
dozens of new
So this is the
videos we
camera.
keep
We are
on
planning to put
adding,
the camera suprapubic
and
because
most of the
there
videos
may
are
be blood
rescue
inside, and
USP,
in those situations
so you
once you
can
will
learn the
introduce it, then
entire
it may be
procedure
necessary to
of the
do the
laparoscopic
procedure
surgery
with the little
through these
distance
videos,
from the telescope. This is right
and it
hand
is
port
directly
and
in
this is
your
left hand
mobile app.
port. These are the port
As
we
I
are
told, you can do reverse, you can forward, you
liter
can
per minute.
skip,
The
you
variation
can
needle, eye
make
of
the
the variation
speed
needle will
higher, even you can screen mirroring those
you will
videos on
just
your
move it. All the
high
small
definition
bubbles should be move up. Here is
television
the
also through
you can
the mobile app of the World Laparoscopy Hospital. Here I am
here. So the
escaping up,
entire
and then
this
this is the
trophoblast
video of
together
the
with the
unruptured
tube
ectopic pregnancy. You can rewind it
pelvic
also,
ligament.
just simply
Always there is a
dragging over
chance
the
of
interface of the
devascularization of the
videos,
ovary.
and
So
there is
to
no
prevent
ad
it,
there.
anteromedial
Unlike the
traction will be
YouTube
done,
videos, there is
and
no ad,
faster
and
you
it
should
has a
try to
very
separate
high
the tube,
speed of
keeping
the
it as near
HD
as
and
possible. Now you can
4K
see
resolution.
now the pulse is going
Now again
down,
coming
and
back,
slowly the pulse is going down
you
because
can just cross it there to close, and same way you can comment it also. If you want any comment on those video, you can just write your comment. And these are the gynecological videos, and then general surgical robotic surgery videos. On the top you can see there are tabs there, and you can get all those video directly on your mobile phone. After that, we have the a lot of interviews, and then the resources of those videos which you can see. Then we will go next, and the next is press release. This is our press release regarding World Laparoscopy Hospital, different Forbes, Hindustan Times, then Times of India, and whatever different newspapers are telling about our hospital, that is there. Then you can get the WLH blog. In this blog we keep on updating regarding the latest activities of our hospital and latest reports, and that blog you can browse, and it has thousands of useful information which will be very interesting, and you can read those blogs there if you click any of the topic. After that, next information is WLH research. These researches are there, which is our master students generally write those researches, and those researches are also there published on this. Then you have the next feature on our WLH mobile app is that you have the different type of newses after this task analysis. This task analysis is also very important for you, because steps of the every surgery, that is operative steps of every surgery, is given there. That is very useful for the resident to learn the steps of the surgery. After that, the next important thing, that is the news. These are the important news related to the laparoscopic surgery, which is published anywhere in the world, and in the different universities of the world, what they do, those news you can get it from here. You can just make the font size big and you can browse this WLH news. So that is also very useful. After that, you have the next is the newsletter. So this is newsletter. You can sign the newsletter also, and this newsletter we keep on sending you also in the different newsletter of the World Laparoscopy Hospital, like the activities, open days, and the free resources in the newsletter, and the latest coming videos in the newsletter. You will get it. After that, the next is the ask your faculty. That is very important. It is a type of forum where you can ask any question to our faculty. Like if you click it, you can type your name and then you can type your questions, and then you can just submit, and after that you will immediately get the answer, and you will get this answer in your email also, and you will get it at this forum also. So this is very important, and it has a communication interactive. This is campus store. This is something if you want to buy some instrument or some DVD, some books from the campus store of the World Laparoscopy Hospital, then you can go to this section of the mobile app. Suppose you want to buy like this Maya screw, then you will click it, and this Maya screw you can buy now, and with the PayPal you can pay the money and it will reach to your residence or your hospital. So this is very secured method, PayPal payment, and you can buy the instrument also. After that, we have the another features, that this is the feedback. These are our patient feedback. So if you want, you can also give your feedback. Now these are the feedbacks of our doctors. Our students, they give their feedback, and you can listen to any of these feedback if you want, or if you want you can give your feedback also. So this feedback is also very interesting, and you can learn it.
I am Dr.
You
Shamima,
can know about the
working
some
as
of the
a consultant gynecologist in Aster
view of
Medicity,
our
Cochin,
hospital,
Kerala.
our training. This section is
Thank you,
feedback of
Dr.
the
Mishra and Dr. Chauhan,
trainees.
for the wonderful
Like
training we are having now.
it is very
And
interesting.
thank you so much for
Now coming back,
being
the
the
next
keeping.
section of our app is that it has you can browse it from the top. You have the arrow on the top, and that is very important. And now you can see the next section, and here we go to the hostel. If you want to get hostel, you can book your room, and if you are a prospective student, then it will be very useful. Even for the patient also, they can book their hotel. This is live chat, interactive live chat. This is very important. You can ask your any question, and you can chat with the staff of the World Laparoscopy Hospital 24/7, 365 days, 24 hours they will be there. This is WLH map and direction if you want. This is the Google map of the World Laparoscopy Hospital, which you can use. Now the next is the appointment. This is basically for the patient. If they want to consult our faculty, they can get appointment. Now the next app is here we have the, this is the contact. If you want, you have any question, you can write it and we will help you regarding any of the question. You can write your name, and after that your email and your problem, your phone number, and then we will contact you. Now this is share WLH, where you can share to your social media if you want. You can share it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, wherever. Now coming back again, important, that is the member area. This is the most important section where you can avail thousands of study material. So you will put your username and password, and username and password will be given by the World Laparoscopy Hospital, and this is only given to the student who has taken training at this institute. So generally your username and password only you know, and after that only you can get in this member area. Here it's a huge amount, 3 terabyte space is there, where thousands of videos, hundreds of books, thousands of articles are there for our member. And now we are in the member area, and then you can access all the information and the reading materials. Like I will show you, here it is the book section, and the book, you have the book of general surgeons, and you can see hundreds of books are there, and these all books we have bought, and you can download those books also from this member area to your mobile phone, and later you can read it also, or you can download it and then transfer it to the your desktop computer, and then you can use it. So this is very important, very precious, and it is of all resources are more than $3,000 worth cost, which we have spent here to make your member area. And there are thousands of videos also, exactly same way in the book you can go for gynecologist book, and then again book for general surgeons, and these all are books for robotic surgery, book in the urology, book of the endoscopy, book of the arthroscopy. So it's a very exhaustive study material which you can download, and this is only for the member, this is not for the open people. Then these are videos, there are hundreds of videos, high definition video, which can directly you can download in your mobile or in your computer. These are approximately 2000 videos are all together there, and all are high definition videos. Like you can see here, it's exhaustive list of all the laparoscopic videos, which directly you can download in your mobile phone. Of course your mobile phone should have that much space, and because these are HD videos, so one video may take approximately 500 MB to 1 GB sometime space. So it is better to download and then transfer to the your laptop. After that, again this is the videos for gynecologist, video for urologist, separate videos for everyone, and these are the links. Actually, as soon as you will click these links of the videos, automatically it will start downloading. So these are the list of, and you can search your favorite list and then just click it and it will download to your videos. So this way it is, you can use this facility of the WLH member area. After that, once you have the videos, then you have the articles, and there are thousands of important articles which we have put, and we have the softwares also for you to download. Very important software like movie making softwares are there which you can download. And this is the World Journal of Laparoscopic Surgery. This is the journal of the World Association of Laparoscopic Surgeon. Through the member area you can browse this journal also, and you can download it, and it has a very good readable font, so you can zoom it also there, and then you can read it on your mobile app. Although it is better to read on the laptop or desktop computer, but even with the mobile you can use it. So this was a short introduction of the World Laparoscopy Hospital member area. So here you have the different type of search. If there is search button, there are 3 dot on the right upper corner, and you can search anything. Like if you want to search the chat, then you can click it and you can chat it. If you want to search the book, you can give the name of the book and you can search it. Then you have the different type of support, and then notification. You can click for the any new notification, that also we keep on sending here. So this is important WLH software. It is available in Android and Apple. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.